Hello, everyone, and welcome to our introduction to LaTeX. The previous video, we talked about uh, some a bit of what's LaTeX, and today we promised that we'll cover that and how we can get started LaTeX and create a fast document. So today we'll dive into the world of LaTeX. Again, LaTeX is a document preparation system widely used for scientific, technical, and academic writing. LaTeX, it was created by Leslie Lamport in the early 1980s, and it emerged as an extension to the typesetting system developed by Donald Knuth. So, what are the advantages of LaTeX? LaTeX, one, it offers numerous advantages, and one, it produces high quality, professional looking documents with precise formatting. So its robust support for mathematical notation simplifies typesetting complex equation. So seamless referencing of equation, figures, and tables ensures easy navigation. So LaTeX files are portable and compatible across various operating systems, and it maintains consistent formatting regardless of document length, focusing on content rather than appearance. A LaTeX separates design from content. That is it allows easy styling, or it allows for easy style modification. It efficiently manages large documents and automating formatting tasks, such as table of contents. Or you don't want to keep updating the table of contents like you do in other word processing software such as Microsoft Word, whereby you have to keep going to rerun that command to update the table of contents. So for the LaTeX, it efficiently manages large documents, automating formatting tasks. Integration with version control systems like Git enables collaborative writing. The reason is because LaTeX, it uses text files. Its files are in text. The document that you write or you code or you typeset, it's a text file. So it's not a compiled something something that cannot be controlled. So, but for LaTeX, you can use version control system like Git. So that's very good. It can help. Enables collaborative writing and even tracking changes. LaTeX encourages others to focus on content, resulting in clear formatting or in clear documents. So let's look at LaTeX versus WYSIWYG editors. What you see is what you get, editors. So LaTeX differs from what you see is what you get, editors, in its emphasis on content over immediate visual feedback. While LaTeX suits large documents and technical writing, WYSIWYG editors may be preferred for a basic use. Another difference is that LaTeX simplifies referencing, citation, and cross-referencing for accuracy. It offers templates and packages for specific document types. So what we'll do now, we'll look at setting up LaTeX. So to begin using LaTeX, you need to install LaTeX distribution like TechLive or MikTeX. So what we'll do, just go to your browser. Head to your browser. If you are using Windows, search for MikTeX. Using Windows, you search for MikTeX, then go to the download page and download it. download it. If you're using Mac, there is that option. There is that. You can just click use your operating system. They're using Mac, Linux, or using a container Docker. Yes. So for Windows guys, just click download and you get your setup downloading. For the Mac, download that one as well. Follow the instructions or the procedure of installing DMG packages in Mac. For the Linux, you have to choose your distro. You have it on Ubuntu, Mint, Debian, Fedora, Loki, OpenSUSE. So follow the procedure. Just get the right distro that you are using. Then it seems that you have to add some keys, and so that you can install it via the terminal. So once you're done, especially for the Windows, it's easy. Once you download it, just the install dialog. Just accept. You just accept all the checks, and you'll be good to go. The next editor that you'll need to install, not the next editor, the editor that we need to install. You can install any editor you like, but we prefer TechWorks. So head to the TechWorks, then download it. So for the Windows guys, it's, you just download the version that you prefer. Here we can see there are different versions, the latest being Feb 2023. You can get it. Yes, you can download it. Yes, this one TechWorks for Microsoft Windows. You have that one for macOS. We have that one for Linux. We have different distros offering different packages. So for the Windows, just click that one, TechWorks installer, and I think you'll be taken to this one. So this one is for Mac, this is for Mac, this is for Windows, this is for Windows, this is for Windows, and this one is for Windows. Yeah, so choose one for Windows 10, and choose that one for Windows 10. Then you just it's a setup, and save it. I won't save it. I have it already. So once you save it, you have to run it as Microsoft. You run it as administrator, and you'll be good to go. Now, once you're done installing the TechWorks, you can open it, and this is how it appears. This is its user interface. This is its user interface. This is where we write our code, and then the good thing with this one is that it has a run button where we can click it and run our document. Yes. So we'll look at the document, the basic document structure of LaTeX. Yes, let me see here what you have in my slides. Okay, yeah, setting up LaTeX requires distribution. Yes, Tech Live and MikTeX. MikTeX is for Windows. Tech Live mostly it's for Linux distro. Yes. Follow instructions provided by distribution to complete installation process. Then choosing an editor. Okay. See you in the next video, part 2. Thank you and God bless you.